Hey everybody, this is a video about how you program a newer Ford, if you change the wheels on your car and have a whole different set of TPMS sensors that the car needs to learn. There's a bunch of videos on the internet where guys talk about pressing the flasher 3 times and letting the air out of the tires. Doesn't work. That's only if you rotate the tires and have the same TPMS sensors. If it's new ones, you have to do something like this. To do this, you're going to need a tool like this. I have this Maxi TPMS TS401. That's going to trigger the sensors after I've put the car in learn mode. So this is a 2022 F350. First thing you have to do is put the key in the ignition, then pump and release the brake, then key on, off, on, off, on. Press and hold the brake for 2 seconds. Key off, then on, off, on, off, on. And that beep means the system is now in TPMS learn mode. Now's where I'm going to use this device to trigger the sensors. Okay, and it says on my display here, trigger front left sensor. So come around to the front left wheel. Alright, I've got this in trigger mode right now. I have this trigger button. What I'm going to do is trigger this thing. And that beep means it's now trained the front left wheel. You're going to do the same for the front right. Rear right. And each time it triggers the sensor, that beep indicates it has learned about that particular sensor. Alright? And after doing that, the learning procedure is complete. And if you have someone in here, it will say training complete. It's not, yeah, it shows training complete. Alright? So that's how you program a new set of TPMS sensors on a late model Ford.